Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking chicken necks in the air fryer. So here I have chicken necks and I'm going to season them. I'm keeping it super simple, just salt and black pepper, but of course you can use any seasonings you like. So if you want it super spicy or seasoned in different things like garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, feel free to be creative. I will just demonstrate how to cook them in a very simple way. So I'm just going to season them. So sprinkle them with salt and pepper. And then you can rub on the seasonings and then flip them over and season the other side. And now, once you season them, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's put chicken necks in the basket, preferably in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 20 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at these chicken necks. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look how good they look. So nicely browned with crispy skin. So easy. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love chicken necks. It is so delicious. As I bit into this chicken neck, I tasted this crispy skin and the inside was so juicy. They're so good. I know it's not a very common food. If you've never tried them, please give them a try. They're super cheap and they're so tasty. You can find them at the ethnic supermarket. So easy to make, taste so delicious. And you can cook them in the air fryer, make some crispy, tasty. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!